Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to study chapter number 11 of English textbook. Okay? And what is the name of a chapter? Name of a chapter is Riya and the Tooth Fairy. Okay? What is the name? Riya and the Tooth Fairy. Now Riya is name of a little girl and tooth means one single tooth. You already know, right? Our teeth. Okay, so one is known as tooth. Alright. So my dear children, today we will be studying some words with long U sound. Okay. Now long U sound also has two different sounds. Alright. And then we will see the new words as well as its meaning. Okay, my dear children. So first of all, let us see the words with long U sound. So here, words with the long U sound, like U in use. This word USE, use. Now here, in this word, the sound of U is U. What is the sound of U? U. Alright? So let us read the words. What you have to do? You have to listen to me and repeat after me. Very good. So let us read. M-U-S-I-C. Now what is this? It is music. Okay. So repeat after me. M-U-S-I-C. Music. Now in this word, the sound of U is U. Music. Alright. So in this word, the sound of U is U. Next. C-U-T-E. Cute. Repeat. C-U-T-E. Cute. Next. M-U-T-E. Mute. What is it? M-U-T-E. Mute. Okay. Now next. H-U-G-E. Huge. What is it? Huge. Alright. So H-U-G-E. Huge. Next. T-U-B-E. Tube. Now T is there and then U is there. Right. So what will be the sound of U here? U only. So the sound of T, tub, and then the sound of U. That is U. So tube and then B-E. Tube. Okay. Next. F-N-U-T-E. Flute. Repeat. F-N-U-T-E. Flute. Okay. Now my dear children, we will see the words with U sound. Okay. Words with long U sound like U in rule. Now over here, the sound of U is not U. What is the sound of U? The sound of U is oo over here. Okay, what is the sound of U? Oo, right? So let us read it. J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. Now see here, it is not June, it is June. So J means ja, U means oo, and na and E. Okay, so June. Alright. Then B-L-U-E, blue. Repeat after me. B-L-U-E, blue. G-L-U-E, glue. G-L-U-E, glue. Next, F-L-U-T-E, flute. F-L-U-T-E, flute. Next, R-U-L-E-R. What is it? Ruler. What is it? Ruler. R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. Next. F-U-L-L. Full. F-U-L-L. Full. Okay. So what have we studied? We have studied two U sounds. Alright. One is U and another is oo. Okay. Like U in use and U in rule. So long U sound are of two types and both are different. Okay. Now let us see some new words that are mentioned in the story. Okay. After seeing the the words, we will also learn that meanings. We will also study the meanings. Now first word is EXCITED, excited. Now, do you know the meaning of excited? Yes. Do you know the meaning of excited? Excited means what? Yes. Okay, excited means very happy. Now more than happy. Excited means very happy and looking forward to something. Now looking forward to something means, suppose you are going to the picnic on the next day. Alright. Then what happened? You will be excited. Means you will be going to the picnic. Right. So you are looking forward towards something. Right. Alright. Next. Milk tooth. Now milk tooth means what? Milk tooth means baby tooth. Alright. Means the small baby, when we are born, we have milk teeth. Alright. And that the teeth that comes first are known as milk teeth. Okay. And after a certain period of time, what happens? That teeth fall down. Okay. So that are known as milk teeth. So milk tooth means baby tooth. Alright. Next, fairy. Now you already know the meaning of fairy, right? F-A-I-R-Y, fairy. Do you know the meaning of fairy? Yes, you might have seen in the cartoons or in the movies, right? So what do you mean by fairy? Fairy is it is a small person with wings, right? So fairy is having wings. Okay. Next, magic. M-A-G-I-C, magic. W-A-N-D, wand. Now what do you mean by magic wand? It is a stick used to do magic. Now magic wand means what? It is a stick which is used by fairy or any other magician. So that is known as magic wand, which is used to do magic. Alright? We don't use that stick to do any other thing. We only use that stick to do the magic. That is known as magic wand. Next, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. So asleep means sleeping. Alright, asleep means what? Sleeping. Next, N-O-D-S, nods. Nods means to shake hand to say yes. Now whenever someone asks you, right, something and you agree, so sometimes we just nod our head. Nod means to say yes. When we want to say no, what we do? We just move our head from left to right. No. Right? But whenever we want to say yes, we just nod our head up, down. Okay? That is known as nods. Next, waves. W-A-V-E-S. Waves. So wave means move something backward and forward, again and again. For example, now here is a pen in my hand. So I'll move something like this. That means wave. Okay? Means to move something forward and backward, again and again. Alright? Now, next. S-H-I-N-Y, shiny. Shiny means B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Now, have you seen the gold? Yes, it is shiny and bright. Okay? So, my dear children, these were the new words that are mentioned in the story. Okay? We have also seen the meanings of that words. Now, let us listen to the story. So, are you all excited to listen to the story? Yes. Okay. So, what is the name of the story? Riya and the Tooth Fairy. What is the name of the story? Riya and the Tooth Fairy. So, once what happens? There is a girl named Riya. Okay. There is a girl named Riya. And her tooth means one single tooth from teeth. Alright. It fell. Okay. Then what happens? She takes that tooth and what she thinks? She thinks to herself that I'll keep this tooth under the pillow. Right. Means she might have heard from somewhere So she keeps the tooth under her pillow. Okay, my dear children, and she goes to sleep. Now she is not asleep. Okay, she is still awake. So she wanted to see now what happens at night. Okay, so she is not sleeping, she is awake. So after some time she hears someone entering from the window. Means she hears some noise and she sees that someone is entering inside her room from the window. Now you already know the meaning of window, right? It is what it is? Yes, window is a space which is made inside the wall, okay, from which we can look outside. Okay, so that time what happens? Riya sees that a fairy enters her room, alright, and slowly that fairy is taking out the tooth from Riya's pillow. Okay, so then Riya immediately tells her that why are you taking my tooth? Okay, so what the fairy tells? Oh God, I thought you are asleep, means you have to be asleep when I will come. So then what happens? Riya says that yes, I am not asleep, I am awake, I just wanted to see. Okay, that what is happening. So what happens after that? When she takes the tooth, Riya asks her, why are you taking my tooth? What will you do of that? That time what happens? The fairy says that I am taking your tooth to make the toys for the little children of fairies. Okay. So then she says, oh, that really happens. Then the fairy says yes. Then she just moves her magic wand and asks Riya that if she wants to see. Then when Riya says yes, when she nods that yes, I want to see, that time she moves her magic wand and then suddenly Riya is in the fairyland. Okay. Now there are many fairies around in the fairyland. Alright. There are many fairies and they are making little toys with the tooth. Okay. So then Riya feels very nice. When she sees that many fairies and the little tooth. Okay. So then what happens? The fairy says now it is time to go back as it will be morning now. Alright. So then fairy says that I have taken your tooth, so I will give you a gift for taking your tooth. Okay. So when Riya goes to sleep again and she wakes up in the morning, she finds a shiny coin under her pillow. Alright, what she finds? She finds a shiny coin under her pillow. And then she shouts that yes, whatever happened was true. Okay? So, understood the story? Riya and the tooth fairy? Yes, my dear children. What happens in the story? Riya's tooth fails. So, fairy comes and takes that tooth. And when Riya asks her, the fairy tells that I have taken your tooth to make the little toys for the fairy children, right? And then when Riya asks that I want to see, then what happens? The fairy moves her magic wand and takes her to the fairyland. And over there she sees many fairies who are making little toys. With that tooth. Alright? And then when Riya comes back again and goes to sleep, that time when she wakes up, that time what happens? She finds a shiny coin under her pillow. Alright, so this was the story about Riya and the tooth fairy. So I hope you have understood the story. So how many points we have seen today? We have seen words with the long U sound like U in use and words with the long U sound like U in rule. And then we have seen new words and its meaning. And after that, we have seen the story, Riya and the Tooth Fairy. Alright? So, I hope you have understood everything. If you have any problem or any query related to this session, you can contact me. Alright? Thank you so much.